Hey guys, welcome to our latest Roost Vans build. Now this is a pretty simple one. He asked us to just put in a few hard things. We have some upper paneling as well as our mounting system. We went ahead and put in a vent fan for him. Also did our electric pre-kit installation. It's available online as a DIY product, and did all the standard wiring loads as well as the engine recharge, shore power recharge, and of course running some solar lines. In this build we just coiled those up ready to punch through later. Now on top of this, he went ahead and ordered quite a bit of DIY product as well. With that DIY product, we're just going to install it in the van and he can take it back home and enjoy a little bit of a tax-free local pickup purchase here in Oregon at our shop. While we installed a bunch of the product, we'll just wrap up the DIY product for him and he can go ahead and take it on back home. Visit us at Roost Vans.